In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on Wayfair. Whether you're eager to revamp your living space or just looking to add a few touches here and there, Wayfair offers a broad selection of home goods to choose from. Let's dive right into how you can leverage Affirm as a payment method, allowing you more flexibility in financing your shopping spree. To start, you'll want to head over to wayfair.com. Once you're on the website, take your time to browse and enjoy the wide array of home furnishings and accessories available. As you find items that catch your eye, simply add them to your cart. Make sure you've selected everything you wish to purchase, as this will smooth out the checkout process later. With your desired items ready, it's time to proceed to checkout. You can do this by clicking on the cart icon, conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the summary of your selected items, where you can verify quantities and remove anything that might have been added by mistake. Once you're ready, click on Checkout to move on to the payment section. Now comes the exciting part, choosing to pay with Affirm. On the payment screen, you should see a variety of payment options. Look for the section titled More Payment Options and select Affirm by choosing Pay Over Time. This option allows you to break your purchase into manageable payments. If you already have an Affirm account, simply sign in using your existing credentials. However, if you're new to Affirm, you'll need to create an account. This process typically involves entering your personal details. Keep in mind that Affirm may conduct a soft credit check during this step to determine your eligibility. Fortunately, this type of check won't affect your credit score. Once you've signed in or created your account, Affirm will present you with different payment plan options. You might see choices ranging from 3 to 12 months. Take a moment to review the monthly payments, any applicable interest rates, and the total cost of your purchase under each plan. This helps you make an informed decision on the best payment plan for your budget. After you've settled on a payment plan, go ahead and select it. From here, confirm your Affirm loan by agreeing to their terms. Once everything looks good, you can complete the checkout process. You'll receive a confirmation that your order has been placed with Wayfair, and soon, those wonderful pieces will be on their way to your home. Finally, keep track of your payments through Affirm by logging into your account via their app or website. Affirm will help you stay on schedule by sending reminders before each due date, ensuring you never miss a payment. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Affirm on Wayfair. Enjoy your shopping and see you in the next video.